So why is extraction important? Well, it helps maintain temperatures and humidity levels, especially when it's hot outside. It draws fresh CO2 in for your plants so that they can photosynthesize, and it tackles those unwanted odours.
So what we've got here, we've got the carbo air filter, so that's obviously the first thing. We've got some combi ducting to attach to the fan. We've got the Revolution 8-inch EC fan. We have the fast clamp. You have a Jubilee clip, a couple of tools, Allen key for the fast clamp, screwdriver for the quick release clamp, and also some hanging brackets, some carbo air hanging brackets. I'll go through them a little bit more individual. So it's a carbo air filter. This is a 60mm bed filter. The great thing about these filters is they're perfectly matched to the Revolution fans. So we've done all the pressure tests on the fans, done the pressure tests on the filters with System Air. So we know that this fan and this filter kit work in combination great. You've got your combi ducting, again, and all your clamps. So what we do, the filters are covered with a pre-filter. This pre-filter is really, really thick. It's not too thick, but it restricts airflow, but it's thick enough that it collects dust. Dust, what travels into the carbon, will block it prematurely. So always make sure your pre-filter is clean, so that you can see if there's any dust building up on there.
Replacement spare filters are available. I would recommend you have at least two, one on, one in reserve at the back of it. Really, really simple to change as well.
Yeah, and machine washable, so you can just put them in the washer, dry them out and start again, not a problem. So basically, we look at the carbo air filter. It's got the hanging brackets, what make it really, really easy to hang. You've got your Revolution fan. If you look at a Revolution fan, you can see that you've got the arrow on the fan dictating which way the airflow goes. Obviously, always make sure air is being pulled through the filter and extracted out of your growing area rather than blowing through. You can blow through, but it's more effective when you're sucking through. So this is a fast clamp what One Stop sells. You see it's got an Allen key on this side. These fast clamps are absolutely brilliant. Make life fitting the fan kits into the tent so much easier. All we do, we connect the clamp on here. We get the fan, make sure you've got the arrow facing the right way. Connect this up here. Get the Allen key, put in the Allen key slot and just basically tighten up. So we tighten that up until it grabs it. The clamp actually creates a perfect air seal around the fan and the filter, so there's no leaks. So as you're sucking through the carbon, you want to make sure all the air travels through the carbon and doesn't basically come from any of the gaps after the carbon filter. So all the air through there, sealed here, straight out of the top.
That's one of the nice things about these fans, is they're actually sealed as well, so you're maintaining that sealed system, aren't you?
Yeah, they're perfect. So there you've got your fan and filter. This clamp will hold this fan in place. No need to hang the fan is securely held in place. So
next then comes the fiddly bit, the ducting on the other end.
Yeah, so I'll get Matt to do the ducting.
Yep. Clamp it in place and just screw until it's tight. Yep.
So you've got a perfect seal between the filter and the fan with the fast clamp, and then you've got a seal with the ducting directly onto the fan. Basically, clip in place. Take it up to the level of the duct holes in the tent, just about there. That's fine.
Yeah.
This tent has got 2 extraction holes in the roof, and these can be used for air-cooled lamps. What we're going to do today, you're always better off to try and get the ducting straight out, so it's in a straight line. When you start to put 90-degree bends on curves and things like that, puts more back pressure on the fan. So what we're trying to do here, we're going to use the air-cooled tubes if we're not using them in this video. We're going to basically put the ducting through. Basically what you've got there, you've got the carburetor filter hung on the brackets using the carburetor ratchets, connected to an EC Revolution Vector fan, straight out with combi ducting using 2 clamps. That's as simple as it gets.
Cool. Let's just clarify position of where they should sit in the tent as well, because someone's going to say, where am I going to hang the lights?
Yes.
We've done this for the purpose of actually showing you ease of hanging, obviously, but you do need to plan your area out, which we'll cover in a later video.